Raul, pwede pag-usapan niya.
Okay, sagutin natin to. With full honesty ha, makinig kayong lahat. Yes, pwede ka namang umamin na gawol ka sa dati mong trabaho. Pero, real talk, it will raise red flag. Ibig sabihin, yung interviewer mo will dig deeper. Tatanungin ka, bakit ka nagawol? And might be even check your background more carefully. Kasi, sa totoo lang, iisipin nila, what if gagawin mo ulit yan sa bago mong trabaho? Pero hindi ibig sabihin, disqualified ka agad. Hindi lagi ganon. Kung may valid reason ka like, you didn't feel safe sa environment mo, may health emergency na hindi mo agad na-communicate, or something serious that made it impossible for you to file a proper resignation, then own it. Be honest. Sabihin mo, it's something I learned from, and I'm ready to do it better. Pero kung ang dahilan ay tinatamad ka, na-burnout ka, or nag-issue sa jowa, be real. Hindi tatanggapin niya ng recruiter. At mas delikado kung hindi mo sinabi upfront, tas nalaman pa nila during background check.
Oh,
That's
yes.
worse. Bottom line, kung may valid reason ka and you're honest about it, may chance ka pa din. Just be ready to explain and show you're serious now. Here at Orbit, huwag ka matakot mag-apply kung nagawol ka. Basta maayos at may valid kang dahilan.